MSWWDA Recruitment 2024, Finance Officer, Manager, and Engineer. So we have 10 posts, and this is the notification of 2024 for Finance Officer, Assistant Manager, File Engineer, and Program Associate, and the last date of application is on 28th of March 2024. So MSWWDA Recruitment 2024 notification, the Meghalaya State Wasteland and Watershed Development Agency, MSWWDA, under the Climate Adaptive Community-Based Water Harvesting Project in Meghalaya, an eternally aided project of the Asian Development Bank, invites application in the prescribed form from eligible candidate for the following contractual posts. The application deadline is 28th of March 2024. And we also have the following posts: a finance officer, and we have the number of post 1. Location we have in the headquarters. Age limit 18 to 37 years, and the salary for the finance officer will be 46,800. And the essential qualification: intermediate in CA or IWCA or MBA in finance, bachelor's or master degree in commerce, business, and financial management. Desire experience: number 1, for intermediate in CA, IWCA, minimum 5 years of experience. For MBA in finance, bachelor, master degree in commerce, business, and financial management, minimum 7 years of experience in finance, account, and taxation function, and also at a senior level handling project and company accounting. And number 2, post name assistant manager. Number of post 5, location headquarter and is St.anthony. Age limit 18 to 37 years, salary Rs 27,500. And the essential qualification for the finance officer will be bachelor degree in civil engineering. Desired experience preference shall be given to the candidates with 2 years experience in identifying sites, designing, planning, and preparation of plan, an estimate of engineering structures and related matters as per current of previous SOR. Previous experience in measurement books or MB, entry and checking. We also have another post name, that is the field engineer. So in this post we have the total number of 3 number of posts, and we also have the location: 1 from East Janjay Hill, 1 for the West Garu Hill, 1 for the Southwest Garu Hill, subject to change, or we can change from time to time. And the age limit will be 18 to 37 years. And for the post of field engineer, we have the salary Rs or rupees 23,000 per month fixed. And the essential qualifications will be bachelor degree in civil engineering or diploma in civil engineering. So this will be the classification for the field officer. So desired experience preference shall be given to candidate with 2 years or more experience in the field of identifying sites, designing, planning, and estimating engineer structures and related matter. So it shall be preference who have the 2 years experience for the field identifying site. And we also have experience using hands surveying tool, distance measuring wheels, plumb bobs, levels, dumpy, auto levels, and electronic surveying tools, transit levels, GPS equipment will be an advantage for the applicants or the candidates. And we also have the previous experience in measurement books or the MB, entry and checking. So these are the desired experience for the following posts. And the next we have the program associate. which will be the number of posts is only one post, and we also have the location is in the headquarters, so age limit will be 18 to 37 years, and the salary will be 23,000. Essential qualification: postgraduate or equivalence in anthropology, sociology, applied social science, social work, environmental science, or other related field. And we also have the desired experience, minimum 2 years of experience in relevant operational areas like environment and social safeguard, or environment assessment and environment development issues. So these are the desired experience which you can apply for the post of programs associate officer. And you also have the qualification which will be in postgraduate in anthropology or sociology.